Alright, with that, hello and welcome to the pretty rainy T&E Vertex hospitality event from Mobara Twin Circuit. Yeah, as you can see, the weather isn't great, that's why I'm running around with an umbrella. But it's still a very cool event. I think I might have put in some clips already. There are drift cars everywhere. This is Alexis, you might know the Nodeado YouTube channel. His car, he's also here. And yeah, amazing drift cars. And yeah, we just everyone's having a great time, even though it's raining. It's not too bad though, and yeah, maybe for the drifters cheaper on the tires with the rain. So yeah, I would say let's check out. Wait, we can start here. Let's check out the cars a little bit. Yeah, start with is that a 1J or 2J? For me, it's always hard to take them up yeah, differentiate between the two, but I think it's a 1J. I'm not sure though. But yeah, the wastegate dump right out the top, pretty cool. And then two amazing RX-7s. This kit is just wild. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Silvia Skylines. I like the purple Skyline with the tiny wheels up front and the bigger wheels in the back. I think it looks very cool. I also like the super low profile wing at the back. Yeah, clean. Somewhat stock S13. We have GCG Chaser. Very cool S13, very clean. Another Chaser. Tokyo Drift Girl, nice. SR Sylvia, very nice. SR S15, pretty cool. This one is only half a car. I also really like this 3 Series BMW. Very cool. And yeah, I don't even know if you can hear me on the video, but yeah, if not, there will be some music. And oh, there's this, I have to show you this S13. It's like a super DIY body kit. I love it. And of course this R34, I love the body kit. It's very aggressive body kit, very aggressive wing. They also love how the door handle is integrated into the body kit. Super clean Skyline. By the way, these are also both drift cars, so they're all went out on track. Stockish Lexus. Yeah, let's go through here and then to the back, because there in the back corner I think it's the nicest place to watch the cars. So yeah, I love this double exit style exhausts. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I love this. I say I love a lot, but I think this wrap is pretty cool. Very nice. A lot of chasers, whole chaser gang. More RX-7s. Quite some camber on those two. Crazy crazy. And by the way, they are hosting this meet here, so you can buy the steering wheels, and they're also doing ride-alongs, so you can rent a helmet and do a ride-along. Very nice. Okay. Also some RC drift cars. Very nice. Okay. Let's go to the viewers. How do I say? I don't know where the viewers can go. don't judge me on my English, please. Yeah, there's even a go-kart track next to the car racetrack. When I came here, there were also some cars driving, but now in the rain, I think no one wants to drive kart anymore. So yeah, let's go.